This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check the links in the description. In this video, we're talking about vanilla extract. So vanilla extract is made by macerating and percolating vanilla bean pods, which you can see some over here. And it's an essential ingredient in many Western desserts like cakes, pies, cookies, brownies, custards, ice cream. I find almost anything I'm baking has just even a little bit of vanilla extract in it, even if it's not the main flavor component. And you can see it's a nice, clear brown liquid, right? And it has a beautiful aroma to it. So usually those vanilla beans come largely from Madagascar, Mexico, Tahiti, Indonesia, or Uganda. And the beans from different regions, much like things like grapes, can have slightly different subtle variations in flavor. So these are things that you can use to your advantage when making your different treats. And there you might see certain terms like bourbon vanilla, and that's a reference to a geographical location and not whiskey. It refers to several islands like Madagascar, Mauritius, I'm not sure I'm pronouncing like that, and Reunion. So there's a few different things to learn, some different terms when you're looking into buying vanilla extracts, especially if you're looking to buy higher end ones from different countries. For me, I love the Tahitian vanilla for making buttercreams because those beautiful floral and kind of almost berry notes really come through in really simple things like a buttercream or custard, where you know, you might not taste it if you're using it to bake a cake or a pie. So there's a bunch of different vanilla extracts out there, and they'll come in at different price points. And oftentimes, like a fine wine you save for a great dinner, I save the pricier ones for places in my dessert making where that flavor can really stand out and sing. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more about the cake decorating materials and equipment we use, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like to know more about yearly membership and what it entails, you can go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com for more information. And if you're interested in these products, you can check the links in the description.